Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues and guests,
Welcome to the 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium,
held on April 20 to 21
in Istanbul, Turkey.
This symposium is more than an event. It's a collective journey.
Connecting with over 700 dentists from all around the world.
It should be a unique opportunity for us to
engage in meaningful discussions, table clinic, live demos, and hands-on learning.
The main theme of the symposium is anytime loading.
To achieve 100% success in your implant routine.
Every day in our practice, we handle patients
who want to have a tooth on that as soon as they possibly can.
You can load the implant
whenever you desire
if you go through the CMI concept.
with anytime loading concept.
These concepts form the backbone of implant stability and immediate loading feasibility.
It's not just theory. I'll back up our journey with practical cases.
Explore the potential implications of the anytime loading theory.
Let's learn and go forward together.
Get ready to reimagine implantation the Neobiotech way.